Okay, let's talk about the importance of keeping a journal when you're working on a role, developing a specific acting skill, or simply deepening your knowledge of the craft through study, rehearsal, and practice. Journaling is a very, very important process. The reasons why you keep a journal are: number one, to keep track of your progress, feelings, ideas, and material you learn about yourself and the role, the writer, and the environment during practice and rehearsals. To note down your discoveries about the role, the emotions that drive them, how they are affected by props, the environment and the characters, the memories that you create that emerge from your imagination. You use a journal for research purposes. Basically, all the external elements about the material, things to know, to learn, and to remember. Finally, you use it to write down your own thoughts about your work and your goals. As I said, this is a very, very important part of the creation process. Actors who keep a journal feel more confident, more grounded. They feel more in control with their learning as they can track their progress and see how much they are advancing. They learn faster, they assimilate roles speedily, they are able to adapt to characters and their circumstances with ease. They find total transformation much more attainable.